So like for 4 years BTech, what's the average fees?
Around 28 for me.
Over here, it is I think around 3 LPA, and from third year it would have an increase in 5%. Like every year it increases by 5%, but on average it's remained 3 LPA. So 3 lakhs per semester, so 6 lakhs into 4, that's 24 lakhs.
The fee structure is a bit high as compared to like other institutes. Which is the best option? I mean, as per you, like abroad or BITS Hyderabad?
I would pick BITS Hyderabad because I would like to argue your point here. I would like to say that the return on investment is really high. Whether you talk about placements or whether you talk about the the rich peers that you get, the faculty, the resources that are available over here, I would really say that it's really worth it.
And what about like scholarship if someone wants to opt for?
Yes, so there are a lot of scholarships available. So we basically have 2 types of scholarships. So we have the merit scholarship that is given to, I think, the top 30 students. Okay, so they're put into brackets of 100% scholarship or 40% scholarship. But other than that, for students who come from low income families, scholarships known as the merit cum need scholarship for students who really need that support, that financial support, and students, also a lot of students also depend on that scholarship, and they get scholarships of up to around 80%, which is a lot. One point about BITS is that there is zero reservation whatsoever here. So your gender doesn't matter, the domicile that you hold also doesn't matter. You get admission here purely based on your merit, on your BITSAT score. And this is how, and this continues for the scholarships as well. So there is no state-wise scholarship like you asked.
So we also, like in BITS campus, we have like 0% attendance policy.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
I think I can already see the smile there. So what do you think like are the pros and cons of it?
Yeah, the pro is that you can sleep in every day as a holiday if you want it to be.
Okay.
But there are some cons. So sometimes profs may conduct surprise quizzes, and if you snooze, you lose.